Hello, this is Robert Swalwell, and I'm doing my animal classification video. I will be covering or going over the lion. Now, the classification of a lion, they're in the kingdom Animalia, which is for animals. They're in the phylum, it might actually be, there it is. They're in the phylum Chordata, which means they have a vertebrae. They have a spine with multiple vertebrae. They're in the class Mammalia, which means they're a mammal. They drink milk to survive when they're born from their mothers. And they are in the order Carnivora, which means they eat meat. They're carnivores. That is their main source of food to get the proper nutrients they need to survive. And then they are in the suborder Feliformia, which means they're cat-like. And then they're also in the family Felidae, which means they're cats. So cat-like means they have similar tendencies as cats, but cats then breaks them down further into what you see here. And then they're in the subfamily Panthernia, which means that they're in with the big cat family. They are not your normal domesticated cat. Then you have the genus Panthera, which means they're in like the sub-Saharan cat family. And then their species is Panthera leo, which is the lion. So I was also asked to compare the similar groups, and if we go up here, some of the similar groups, the lion is similar to the Carnivora order, which is because they eat meat in order to survive. And then the subfamily Panthernia, which is when the big cats are separated from the mammals. They're just cat-like and not like most big cats. But anyway, they are mostly related to the tiger, lion, or they are the lion, leopard, jaguar, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. They are part of the big cat family. And then some of the adaptations that lions have developed over time is their roar to communicate with other group members and to warn off intruders into their territories, which lions are very territorial, and the males will fight for ownership of the pride. And then they have long retractable claws that they have developed to grab and hold prey. And they have a rough tongue to help them peel away skin from their prey and also to clean themselves. Some of their ancestors they most likely came from tree-dwelling mammals that are also carnivores. This is the same type of organism that bears also came from, which way back then, I guess they are technically somewhat members of the big cat family. I guess you could look at it that way. Now, the reproduction of lions, in the wild, lions breed once every 2 years on average, give or take. And when the female lion gets pregnant, she will sneak away from the pride and gives birth to 2 to 6 cubs that she will take care of for about 3 months before letting them go. Now, when the male lions are fighting for territory, if one conquers the other territory, I read, they will actually kill the young of the offspring of the previous owner of the pride, if you like to say that. But That is lions and the classification of them. Thank you.